Today we're going to make this do-it-yourself easy pipe cleaner and beads bracelet craft.
For today's craft, you need 1, 2, 3 pipe cleaners that are all the same size, so nice long ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. They can be in the same color or different colors. So your pipe cleaners could all be different or they could be the same. Your beads could all be different or they could be the same. It really doesn't matter. All you're going to do is go grab those supplies and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my pipe cleaners. I'm going to line them up. So side by side at one end, and just pull them nicely here so they stay together. Then I am going to go to the one end and just twist. So I'm going to take my fingers, clamp down and turn, clamp down again and turn, clamp down again and turn, and I have to move these fingers a little bit here. I'm just going to turn until it is about, let's say, 3 fingers. So you can see about 3 fingers I've turned. If it's a little bit more, that's okay. So I've turned them all like that so they are nice and locked together. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take whatever 2 are on the outside. If they're the same color, then that's okay. Mine are different, so I'm going to take this yellow one that kind of is on this outside. I'm going to take this purple one that's on this outside and just kind of curve them a little bit. So I just put my finger in there and I just curve. Put my finger in here and I just curve a little bit. And then you're going to see I have the middle one. So whatever your middle one is, that's where you're going to take a bead, whatever color bead you want, and you're going to place it inside the middle. Now I'm not going to go right to the end. I'm just going to go kind of like that, little space. Then, see I have a little space here. I'm going to leave a little space here as well on the other side. Oops. And if they kind of move around like that, it's okay. And I'm going to put my fingers. So here I've got this tiny space, another tiny space. I'm going to put my finger there, and I'm going to turn once. I'm going to turn twice. And I'm going to go back to that one and just open that up a little bit just so that you can see it. Okay? Now you could have a bigger opening, so there could be a bigger hole than this, that's okay, or smaller. There's no right or wrong. So I've done that. Once I have that, I've turned. Now, if you feel like it's kind of flimsy and it might turn back, you could also just turn it one more time. That's okay, just to make it stay. And now I'm going to do the same thing. Now this one I have a different color in the middle, and that's okay. So I'm going to go put my finger in here, curve it a little bit, take this finger, put it on this side, curve it. So here I have those curves again. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab a bead. It can be a different color, the same color, it doesn't matter, but it's going on that middle pipe cleaner, whatever that middle pipe cleaner is. So you can see I'm going to leave a little space. It's going to curve around. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We can move it with our fingers like this. So if you feel like the curve looks funny, just move your fingers around and curve it again. And then I'm going to put my finger, little space, another little space. I'm going to put my finger right over top of that bead, and where there's a tiny space there just to hold it, and I'm going to twist, and I'm going to twist again. So I'm going to go 2 or 3 times just to make sure it sticks. And I'm just going to go back up here and just make sure that everything's looking okay. So you can see this is pretty snug. It's right against the bead. If you like that, you can keep it. If you like more, this one's less snug, then you can always untwist it and just loosen it up again. Okay? There's no right or wrong. Now, guess what? Doing the same thing again. So I'm going to curve this side, put my finger here, curve the other side, and I'm going to put my next bead. Okay, here we go. I'm going to leave a space, leave another little space, and I'm going to twist. Now, if I found the last one was too tight, then this one I'm going to make a little bit looser. If you want it looser, just means you go down here when you're twisting. The more tight it is, the higher up you're going to twist. The looser you want it, the lower down you're going to twist. So twist once, twice, 3 times. Then I go back and just open it up and just turn it so it's all facing the same direction. And I'm just going to keep going until I run out of beads. So that's what you are going to do. So go ahead. Okay, when you get to your last one, whoops, I see this one didn't twist very well, so I'm just gonna make sure that twists. When you get to your last one, just check them all. They're all going the same direction. If they're not, just turn a little bit till they are. If you need to pull any out so that they're a little bit wider, that's okay. Just kind of move it around. That's a great thing about a pipe cleaner. You can move it. And then, remember this one at the beginning was all twisted? We're just gonna go that last one and twist all the way to the end. So twist, 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 all the way around to the end, and then you are finished. Now you just have to size it. So you're gonna bring it together like this. And you're gonna have to decide, if you're giving it to yourself, how big your hand is, how big your wrist is, sorry. Or if you think it's someone else, decide if it's gonna be bigger or smaller than yours. And then you're just gonna take that. So you can see that I thought this was okay, and I just kind of measure. I think, oh, if I put it too tight, I'm not gonna be able to get it on or off. So I'm just gonna say this seems to be okay right here. So I just put those two like this. See how I crisscross? And then I'm just gonna turn this one around the other one. Turn this one. Be careful because some of those can be a little prickly on your fingers. And just secure it. And ta-da! You have got yourself the cutest bracelet. It's so multicolored, and now that you know how to make one, you can make them with all the same colors, different colors. Looks fantastic. If you like this craft, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.